So we are working abs with some arm toning today. You're just gonna need a light hand weight. I have 5 pounds here, but you can do this whole workout without it if you need to. So you're gonna come onto all fours. And we're gonna have that weight in your left hand, right hand under your shoulder, knees are bent. And we're gonna start by bringing the elbow to your side, and you're gonna kick it back and in. So you're gonna straighten the arm and bend. I love working abs and arms at the same time. There's a great way to get some sneaky core workout here while toning your arms. So you should actually already feel this a little bit through your center. All right, now reach the right leg back. And what you're gonna do is either stay here as you continue your arms or lift the leg at the same time. So when I press my hand back, my leg lifts and then it all lowers. So we have opposite arm and leg, and you're starting already to get some obliques here. And then, nice and sneaky, we're adding some glutes as well. So 2 more. Last one, lift, stay here, little pulses, arm and leg. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back in. Keep the weight in that hand. You're gonna lift the elbow up and then arm lifts and you turn and look at it and bring it back down. So lift, open, down, and in. 2 more here. And then I'm gonna show you the next variation. But again, you can always stay right here. So next version is you're gonna straighten your legs out, feet are wide. Here we go, you're gonna open into a side plank. We're just getting right into it here, right into using all of those muscles. You're gonna get a big bang for your buck today in this short workout. Good, 1 more, and you can always just stay on your knees. And back in, nice job. Knees come down. Now put the weight just in the center. We're not gonna go to the other side quite yet. Have your hands underneath your shoulders again. Curl your toes and lift your knees and just hover here. Okay, a great way to wake up those lower abs, just holding it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. We're gonna switch sides. So I'll turn around so you can see me on this side. So we're gonna start with the tricep. So right elbow to your side, kick it back and in. And so I really meant it when I said that you can do this workout without the weight. You can probably feel like that hand that's on the ground that's holding you up, that's getting a lot of work too. So if the weight's too much, no problem, just ditch it. Okay, now, optional to add the leg. And if it's too much for your balance, just keep the foot down. And I love some of these moves also because you're working your core and your abs without having to do any crunches. Because sometimes crunches can be, I know, a little bit straining on the neck, so this is a great option. Last one, pulse, pulse, pulse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it back in. Nice job. So we're gonna do our opening here. So it's almost like starting a lawnmower. You lift your elbow up first, and then you open, in, and down. So really getting some nice mobility and rotation through our middle spine. So either stay there, or here we go, plank. And it's a wide leg plank. It's a little easier if your feet are wider than a typical plank. And again, think about opening, rotating. Nice and slow and controlled. It doesn't mean easy. It just means controlled. Last one. And in. Nice job. Bring it down. Set the weight in front of you. Okay, just leave it there. Again, we're gonna have our hands down. Curl the toes. We're gonna do another hold. Lift your knees and hover. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lower down. Press it back. And we're gonna do a new move that I haven't taught you before. It's really fun in this situation. And you know when I say fun, then it might be a little bit hard, but it's fun too. All right, so we're gonna come up to all fours again. And you can watch these first few if you need to. So we're going back to that position we just practiced with the knees hovering. What I'm gonna do is keep my left hand down. My right elbow lifts, like I just did. I don't have the weight though. My right elbow lifts, and I'm gonna rotate. I don't know if you see what I'm doing here, but I've rotated, so I'm looking forward, and my left hip is hovering above the ground. Then I come back to center, right here, hovering. Then other side, so my left elbow lifts, I've rotated, my right hip is just barely hovering. Center. Okay, so you're getting arm work here by having to hold your weight with that hand, and then a lot of obliques with this kind of twisting motion. Nice. Give me 4 more. And it's okay if you're a little bit lost. Anytime you learn something new, it happens, but also know that whatever you're doing right now, you're moving. That's the success, okay? And back to center. Nice job. Lift your tail and walk it out. Nice job. And knees come down. And we're gonna step our hands a little bit wider. Knees together, come forward. So you're in a plank on your knees. You can either stay here or push-ups. Elbows go to the side and up. Okay. So a push-up is just plank with movement. So you can always just hold the plank if you need to. 3, and then slowly work into the push-ups. 2, 1, and child's pose again, and slowly restack. Nice job. Okay, we're gonna come forward. And you're gonna take that weight again, or again, do this without the weight, it's completely fine. So we're gonna have our knees bent and together, and I'm gonna have the weight in front. Okay, so I'm holding it right in front of me. Curl your tailbone, roll down just about 1/3 or 1/2 of the way, and then roll and sit right back up. So we're gonna exhale and inhale. Okay, now when you come up, arms come up. Okay, so now I'm gonna roll back, and as I do, my arms come down, then I'm gonna roll up, and my arms come up. So really tucking the tail, pulling that belly in as I roll down. Good, 2 more. And this is where 3 pounds can start to feel really heavy. 1, stay here. Twist to your right, center, left, center, right. Almost there, left. 1 more each side. Right, left, center, come up, arms reach up, 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 up. Nice job, bring the weight down. Straighten your legs out, left hand down to your side, right arm up, side stretch. Other side. Bring both arms up. And round forward and restack. And great job. I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.